है कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि आजकल की लड़कियां वेस्टर्न कल्चर से बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस हो गई है, जैसा शादी के बाद अपनी सरनेम चेंज करना।
This is What's in a Surname, episode 2.
Yes, a woman legally changing her surname to her husband's is a Western colonial gift. Before the British, a legal surname change after marriage did not exist because the concept of a legal surname did not exist. Watch part 1 for more on this. Ancient India में royal women were named after the king or the kingdom that they came from, like Gandhari from Gandhar और Panchali from Panchal. और शादी के बाद भी ये नाम वो ही रहते थे. I'm not making a blanket statement. ऐसे भी काफी regions थे जहाँ पे शादी के बाद औरत अपनी husband की identity से जानी जाती थी या पूरा नाम ही चेंज कर देती थी, पर ऐसे भी रीजन्स थे जहाँ पे ये नहीं होता था। फिर 1881 ब्रिटिश सेंसस के टाइम फिक्स्ड सरनेम के साथ साथ ब्रिटिश लॉज ऑफ कवर्चर भी लेके आए। और पेट्रियार्कल लॉ जो कहता था कि हस्बैंड और वाइफ एक एंटिटी है, but this entity shall be known only by the husband's identity. That is why women were forced to take their husband's name. These laws also dictated that married women could not own anything or work in businesses. They could not carry out legal proceedings on their own, and they could not make any kind of contract. A woman did not have any rights over her own children, and in the event of a divorce, she would not be allowed to see them again. In fact, marital rape भी आज criminalized इसलिए नहीं हो रहा because of the laws of coverture, which said that a woman's consent is implied in a marriage. The British demanded a family name ताकि वो उस फैमिली को टैक्स कर सके, and surnames began to track property only through the male line. Women were largely erased from legal records as they were expected to lose their identity upon marriage. But thankfully, modern Indian laws जैसे हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट में शादी के बाद सरनेम चेंज करना completely voluntary है. The irony is कि हमें लगता है कि the wife taking husband's name is some Indian परंपरा, but it is actually a British import of people who couldn't understand a country where women had independent identities.